Hi guys, welcome back to OCR Aviation. My name's Anna. I'm with Dane today. We're excited to show you how to go and conduct an oil change on your own aircraft. We're going to take a deep dive into the steps on how to conduct your oil change. Number one, we need to run up the engine up to operating temps.
I don't like starting them really high. It's bad for the engine. Francis does it on the turn. Very fast.
Two, we need to drain the oil all the way from the oil quick drain on this aircraft. Then number three, obviously we need to make sure that it's plugged up and closed up from the oil drain, but we're also going to change out the oil filter. This is going to be a Champion oil filter. We're going to safety wire and secure the oil filter, and then obviously eventually fill up the aircraft with the mounted oil that it needs to be. Then eventually we cut into the metal filter, and you can see the paper filter, and we inspect the paper filter with any metal shavings that could come about, but obviously from this looks, you could see that this paper filter is clean as a whistle. All right, now let's head to the ramp and go to the plane.
AOA sample, yeah.
So the oil drain valve is down here.
Yeah, this one has a quick drain.
That's nice.
Shove the hose on. Little sample. And let it drain out. There's an AD out that where if you're supposed to put it all through the screen, if you see any big chunks being caught, then you know you got a problem.
Yeah, it would basically drain out the oil. So you cut the safety wire?
Yeah, and then I'm gonna shove a whole bunch of rags and stuff and try to make as minimal a mess as possible, but
it's hard
kind
to
of unavoidable.
Yeah.
It is what it is. The less the better. Not like slowing me down, or it's just the process now is oil is just draining, so I'll just remove the filter. Some lovely safety wire. Well, yeah, otherwise some oil can be pretty thick. Take a long time when it's cold. The oil, like the filter, filtrates from the outside in, comes in all these holes, goes through all the filter element, and then comes out the hole into the pump basically, and then into the system. There's like a paper filter element that's corrugated and folded. It's 30 feet long if you were to unwrap it, and basically it catches any of the small particles. Yeah, so even pilots could technically
do this. But aren't they supposed to be shown how to do it properly from an A&P first? So now you're just safety wiring the oil filter.
Yes.
Okay, so it makes it secure.
Oh yeah, it's something that everybody's supposed to be taught in their like A&P school or whatever kind of training they go through to get their license. It's definitely a right and a wrong way.
Yes, okay.
You can easily put it backwards, and there's a certain a number of twists you're supposed to do per inch.
Oh wow.
And even a sort of tension it's supposed to be if you want to get
specific.
Yeah, super.
Thank you guys for tuning in to our YouTube video today. We showed you how to change the oil on this beautiful Columbia 400. How can we change the oil every 50 hours recommended from the AMPs?
Basically, it's just to maintain a good, healthy engine. The more you change your oil, the more you inspect the filter, make sure it's not making any metal, the healthier the engine's going to stay overall.
And then how do we do the oil changes, a quick step-by-step process?
Basically, just need to get the engine warm so it's easier for the engine to just drain the oil out of the engine. Once you drain all the oil, just remove the filter, install a new one, put all the new oil in, whatever manufacturer recommended by whatever aircraft, and then you're on your way.
And I believe there's a fun fact for us today. Who can do the oil changes, Dane?
Pilots can also do oil changes, provided they've been properly trained, and it's just a preventative maintenance item, so pilots are able to do it.
And we can do them here at OCR. Thank you for jumping in.